I've been thinking about what I can do. I've been stressing to fall back in love with you. I'm so sorry that I couldn't follow through, but I can't go on this way. I gotta stop it, babe. You've been wonderful and all that you can be, but it hurts when you say that you understand me. So believe me, I am sorry. I am sorry. I wanted you to be there when I fall. I wanted you to see me through it all. I wanted you to be the one I love. I wanted you. I wanted you. I wanted you to hold me in my sleep. I wanted you to show me what I need. I wanted you to know just how damn deep I wanted you. I wanted you. Hey, I've been pushing hard to open up the door, trying to take us back to where we were before. But I'm done, I just can't do this anymore, 'cause we can't be mended, so let's stop pretending now. We've been walking around in circles for some time, and I think we should head for the